Hi, welcome to week 6 presentation for STI 313 Group 5. Our team consists of 3 members. Who's our front-end developer, Vishu, who's our back-end developer, and myself, Shan, who's the QA and tester. Our application for Project 2 is called Foodify. This app delivers you free-to-access recipes from across the world. It doesn't only just provide you with instructions, but videos of how to create these recipes. Within the app, you'll find recipes of the week, new recipes, photos, food news, and locations. As part of our app development, we're going to enable the following features. One being offline and caching. So within the application, we'll support offline caching mode because all the data is stored on the local database. The interface has been designed to meet the requirements for both iOS and Android, and it will also support both orientation modes, therefore landscape and portrait. The APIs. The Foodify application will utilize the Xamarin iOS and Xamarin Android APIs. Also, the database is a local database which will store the application data. Therefore, the user will be able to query the profile information recipes. The security features this app will have will be utilized by the login feature of the application. Therefore, each user must authenticate themselves before access to the app is provided. The password requirements is 7 to 10 characters, including a special character and one uppercase character.
This week 6, we were able to host our first group meeting to introduce ourselves to the team. From there, we understood our roles and capabilities. Throughout the week, we hosted more meetings to finalize our topic choice, logo design, and application name. So far, we have started the design phase of this application. We have started to code on Xamarin with the main page for the application. In terms of outcomes, we were able to finalize the selected features we want to implement, but we will only be able to start implementing these features in Xamarin from next week. Our Trello boards have been created and each member has been assigned their own tasks to complete. In addition to that, our Bitbucket account has been created as well.
For Foodify, we have 5 main tabs for our app. When you open the app, the first thing you will see is a login screen where you can enter username and password and log in. If you don't have a username and password, you can skip it. It will take you to the home tab. Home tab is where you see all the list of recipes, and then you have your saved recipes when you can save your recipe and then come back. And then you have your completed one where once you may finish with cooking and you can take a photo of it and then save it as your complete. And then you have your profile where you have your basic profile details. We used a number of technologies to build this Foodify app, primarily the SAM forms where the shared libraries and shared C classes allow us to code once and then use it for different platforms. Then you have your Visual Studio, and then you have your Trello board where you allow assign tasks to other members and work accordingly. And then you have a Bitbucket account where you host all your codes online, and then each members can work on their own. And then there's an Azure Cloud Platform where the users can save all the data on cloud. There is a small SQLite database where it stores user database. For week 7, we plan to get the API working and then integrate the features one by one, along with the supporting libraries for iOS and Android. Thank you for watching the presentation. This is Team 5 SIT 313 Foodify.